Today, we're not a Barbie fan, but we're doing a Barbie vending machine. Yeah.
And please put down a hate comment. Brianna wants you to do that.
No, she doesn't. I was just saying that if she acts crazy, you're gonna get a lot of hate comments. But I'm gonna put some stuff in here, and then we'll show you what it does.
Putting a drink.
Not a drinking nut. Purses. They're not drinks, they're yogurt.
Why would you put yogurt in the vending machine?
Because I feel like it. God, did you ever use that vending machine that has like the ice cream bits? Like, oh poop, it fell out.
Oh poop, what fell out?
Oh poop, it fell into another drawer.
Oh poop! Krista, that's you. Your name is Oh Poop.
Oh yeah, remember that, people?
If you don't, you have a mind like a goldfish.
5-second memory. That should be good. Okay. So, I put some stuff. Don't touch it yet, Kirsten. I put some stuff in it. It's very glary. I might. Wait, Kirsten, please. I don't know if they can see it because there's glare. I'm gonna open the doors, I think, to make the glare go away. Is that better? I think that might be better. Well, this one can spin around, and we put a purse, some yogurt, and another purse in there, just spinning around. And here, it's like a fake vending machine. It has like a little spot to put coins and stuff, and it says the numbers and the letters. And here's where your stuff actually physically comes out of. And over here, you can spin it around until it goes to the one you want. And when it's at the one you want, Kirsten, you want to do the honors? Wait, no. You see up here, there's these little gems. This is what spins it. And this one slides over, and watch. Oh, you missed it. Oh, wait, you're caught. 1 second. Technical difficulties. Try again. Wait now, Kirsten. You're getting caught in something. Oh, I know. Okay, now you can do it. Wait, now, see, guys? Okay, watch. See? But unfortunately, in this, when you put 2 shoes in, it doesn't want to work. So you have to pay twice as much money if you want 2 shoes. So you gotta wait for that yellow and get all the way at the top. Make sure it's lined up. Good. Oh, I think I passed it. Are you good? Okay, Kirsten. There you go. Now you have 2 shoes. Hot and ready, right out of the oven.
Yay! I think our reviewer toys are done now. Yay! We're here to pick them up.
Hi, Elsa and Elsa. What are you doing in a Monster High car?
We're here trying to pick us up our shoes we ordered for our best friend Frankie.
These?
Yeah, those ones were ordered for Frankie for her
birthday. Oh, and by the way, guys, we might do a review on this car as well. Don't let it play all the way through. We might get banned. Stop. So, yeah, that's that. And I'm just going to put the shoes. Oh, by the way, guys, I don't know if you have this, but it's a super cute coffin picnic. It's like their eye coffins, but it's a picnic. Yeah, and the shoes go back there.
Thank you.
There you go. Enjoy. So yeah, that's the vending machine. Kirsten, come back. Come back. Kirsten, just come back.
I like playing with dollies.
I know. Kirsten, stop. Come back. Yeah, so that's the vending machine. Hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe, become a BFF today. We love you guys. Bye.
Love you.